Hi, how you doing? This is Robert with the Robert and Christy Real Estate Team
Hi, I'm Christy.
and Christy. So welcome to our Facebook Live open house of 3554 Birchleaf here in South Corona in the Mountain Gate community.
And we're so excited to have you here. Thanks for tuning in. So we're going to show you this virtual tour of this property located in South Corona, as Robert mentioned. It's in the Santiago High School School District. A walking distance to the intermediate school, which is on the screen here to your right, and across the park area and some of these homes you can walk over to Eisenhower Elementary. Great walking distance for that. And then also you've got Mountain Gate Park within that has baseball fields, but tennis courts,
basketball
playground,
courts,
so forth.
And also the great thing about the Mountain Gate community, it has these interconnecting green belts. So right across, the house is located right here. Right across the street over here is one of the nice little parks that people can go to, and that is interconnected with this green belt that interconnects the community. It's also located, it'll pan up and show you the mountains. The local mountains also has a great hiking trail called Skyline, and there's a couple different offshoot trails up in that area too that the locals like to go to for hiking in the area. Also something right down the street too is the Albertsons Shopping Center, so everything's very close, very
close.
walkable.
You see a lot of people walking around. So before we go in, just really quick a little bit about the house. It's 1,896 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.
2.5 bath.
2.5, thank you. As you see, a 2-story there. It's in the Autumnwood HOA community, and at the end of the video here, you'll see as we pan over the HOA pool community area, you'll see that as well. All right, so you ready to go on in?
All right, let's do it.
Go in.
So as you can see in the background here, you can see the local mountains, and the Skyline Trail is just over here. Again, down this way is going towards the Mountain Gate area. But let's do this. Let me open the door for you, and let's have a walk in the house. Yeah. So here, let's open the door.
Right into the entryway. You've got your dining room and living room off to the right, and it will pan in there in a second. Here we go. So living room's good size there with front windows looking out to the front of the house, and those are wood blinds on all the windows actually. Dining room, some custom lighting above. There is carpet on the flooring here, but in the main entry area, you'll have a laminate wood floor there that you'll see. And here's our family room area. We have a fireplace, again, a lighted ceiling fan, plenty of lighted windows with your wood blinds there as well, looking into the kitchen.
It has recessed lighting. You have this house has been meticulously maintained by the original owner, immaculately clean. It has the white countertops. It has the white appliances. Has a nice little eating area within the kitchen, which interconnects to the family room, and a nice slider that goes out to the nice patio. Here's the downstairs half bathroom, which is right off of the family room area, and the laundry room as well, which leads into a 2-car garage off to the left right there.
They do have a storage closet there. So
let's walk up the stairs here and
head upstairs, and these are on a remote control system. Those blinds up there, so you don't have to get your ladder out. You just have a remote to open and shut those blinds. Pretty cool. And on the top of the stairs is a landing. You can put a chair and table there, a reading area. They have their piano.
Over here is the master bedroom. You have ceiling fans in every single bedroom here, and that leads right into the master bedroom. Has a nice master bathroom with a separate tub and shower, dual vanity sinks, and then the closet is off to the left right there. The bedrooms are upstairs. This was the middle bedroom, and this is interconnected. It's like a Jack and Jill style. So you have right off the bathroom over here is the bathroom. And the bathroom has a single sink and then a combination tub and shower with a separate door there to separate the toilet area from the vanity area. Going into the other bedroom here, and again, there's an entrance right over here to go into the bathroom there. And this is the east-facing room. So the house is actually east-facing, and this is the east room right there. Let's take a look outside. You're going to have right here is you have the block wall. There's a street behind. It actually has a lot of privacy. You'll notice the newer dual vinyl windows on the back of the house right there, and they already have the concrete pad laid with ready to go to put in a patio cover if you so choose.
And very well manicured, easy to take care of.
Very low maintenance.
Yeah. So we're going to pan out here a little bit out in front of the house again. Look at those beautiful mountains, the park that Robert was talking about across the way. And then we're going to head over to the HOA. Let's go swimming.
Yeah.
Maybe not today.
Yeah, exactly. A little cold. It has a nice pool. It has a spa. It has the barbecue area. Why don't you go ahead and pause that there. So this is literally just like 100 steps down from the house. So it's very convenient. There's some parking on the street right in front. And this is the Autumnwood HOA community. So
the HOAs on this are $105 a month, by the way, which is great.
Yeah, and then do we talk about taxes yet?
No, we can talk about taxes now.
Okay, yeah, okay. So the taxes are 1.112%, and the special assessments here just went down. They're only $726 for the whole year, which is nice. They had a bond that was much more than that. That just expired, so that's great news.
So we can just keep pausing here. I'll go for just a few more seconds into the. There we go. We'll just pause it here. Sorry, guys. There we go. You can see Raquel there. She did the open house yesterday.
Yeah, Raquel.
So we want to encourage you to ask questions on our Facebook feed. We are answering those. And also, if you want to actually see the full video, message us within the feed there, and we'll go ahead and send you over the link to the tour as well. Of course, if you want to see it, give us a call. We'll make ways to make arrangements to see it. Right now, most of the stuff is virtual, obviously, is what we're all going through. But we've got some other things that we can show you if you have interest in the property. Again, this house is 3554 Birchleaf here in Corona, and the price is $529. And
yeah, we encourage offers. We actually just got an offer from one of our buyers accepted, and we have just different ways of doing business now. So actually, that was a Zoom meeting type of thing between the agents and the owners and the buyers all together, and it all worked out, and we opened up escrow today on that. So people are still placing offers. People still have homes available to sell. So the owners here on 355 Birchleaf are motivated and look forward to maybe possibly opening up escrow with you. So
so don't hesitate to reach out to us. People still need homes, so we're just trying to do what we can. We'll see you again at 12:30 when we do our open house on Old Waverly.
Yeah, 4020 Old Waverly, which is also in South Corona, and that's over in the Eagle Glen community. So join us there at 12:30 as well.
We'll be back, you guys.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.